Traders, what is up? Day Market Scalper D. Woo, man, those bulls got smoked today, right? They were, I think, 2x their positions right there on the open. Right here, getting greedy will always get you smoked in the market, right? Let's look at some of the gains that were made on the bearish side today on the open. Excuse me, not on the open, right? Patience pays. I was looking at some of these 7,500 strikes. Man, they're almost hitting $6,000 right now. I tried to get in on this area right here. It would have been the perfect entry, but I was being too cheap. I think I did not want to accept any or paying anything more at $300 at the time. And right here, it moved so quick. That's one of my rules, man. I just don't chase in the market. And right here, I was stalling on a re-entry, but I just didn't want to pay that kind of money. Even though this thing did take off. I mean, do the math, right? What's 10 times 380? You're sitting at like, if you would have had the perfect entry today, you're getting paid, man, almost 60K. 60 grand in one day of work, right? All you're doing is risking, what, 10 times $380? You got paid today, and unfortunately, those bulls got smoked. I was looking at some of the, and this is the dangerous part about trading options, right? Look at the call side, go right back to those same levels for all the Johnny-come-latelys that jumped in on the market open that were not pre-positioned for a gap up. And really, it didn't even gap up that much. You know, I think we opened up a little bit above the day's previous closing price. Right here, they just smoked them. I mean, they were paying anywhere between $2,000 and $4,000 for the contract. And this is the most dangerous part about trading options, right? It's like that smoking hot girlfriend we all had in high school, right? That broke your heart. This is what it's like, but with your bank account, right? I mean, you just got smoked, right? If you spent and risked anywhere between $2,000 and $4,000, man, you got just enough to take yourself to McDonald's. Maybe get you a little ice cream cone, right? And this is why the biggest loser wins in the market. You got to always, no matter whether you're bullish or bearish, you got to get out of that position. Right here, this would have been extremely difficult for most people that were bullish to lose 50% of their money, and then a matter of another 5 to 10 minutes, they're just getting completely smoked. So I'm taking, and I was a little bit earlier on this entry. I just wanted to scalp a mini contract on one of the bounces. I'm just going to toss this thing along. I was willing to risk a little bit of money. I didn't lose much, but you can see right here we might be getting some temporary support on the bullish side. You know, when you get this kind of move in the market, generally speaking, they're just traps, right? They're trapping bulls here. They're getting some more bulls trapped here, and just all the way down, all those pullbacks. So, you know, me, I don't chase. If I don't get the perfect entry, you can see every day I post a video. You can 2x to 5x your money a day on SPX. It's a beautiful way to make some money. But you can see here, it's also extremely high risk when you're trading zero DTEs. But learn the option chain, you know, learn how to be the biggest loser and get rid of some of those contracts extremely fast. If you're not seeing it go in your direction, yes, patience pays and it helps you get set up. But at the same time, you can see when you're on the opposite end of the trade how much money you can lose. But where in the market, on any contract, on any ticker, can you make this kind of money, right? Where can you be sitting at $60,000 for risking 10 contracts and only spending around $380 per contract? So, I mean, let's look at it again. For those who actually stay long enough to watch this video, I mean, you're just printing right here. There's your risk levels, right? And then this would have been very difficult, right? You can see as you go up $2,000, then you're right back, you're down. You know, these are all shakeouts, especially in this direction. Most people wouldn't have been out with zero DTEs, but if you're holding down, man, you're eating a steak and potato tonight for sure, man. You'd be sitting at, like I say, even right now at 10 contracts, where it's still around 60 grand, I would be out of this position probably halfway through this thing and been happy with it. You don't always have to capture the full move, but as you can see, when you're in the right direction and you're a bear, you're getting paid, man. You guys have a nice, happy July 4th weekend with your friends and family. Stay green, guys. Take care.